let's talk about interest rates on an international mortgage, or let's talk specifically about interest rates in the country of Mexico. As United States, short-term interest rates are definitely on the rise, as we've seen in the last couple of months. At MoXi, we take a slightly different approach. So while cost of capital definitely is on the rise as well in the US institutional capital markets, MoXi's interest rates are always fixed for the entire duration of the term length. And at MoXi, we offer 15, 20, or 25-year fixed rate, fully amortized mortgages to US citizens secured by trust rights on property in the country of Mexico. And it's really important to think about that rate fluctuation. Just like any mortgage lender in the United States, MoXi offers interest rate locks. And in order to register an interest rate lock, which is what you would do with your global mortgage advisor, in order to register an interest rate lock of either 90 or 120 days, you'll want to make sure that your application is complete, that you have property already identified and or in contract, so you cannot register a rate lock on a pre-qualification or a pre-approval. And then you want to make sure that you have basic information about the property into the MoXi team. And that's in the form of what we call a subject property questionnaire. It's where we want to ask a couple of different questions about the property that you're buying or refinancing. We want to know how it's vested. And really a lot of these questions come down to, are you going to own the property securely? And what is the time horizon for us to be able to close the mortgage for you? As an example, if the property is currently vested in a fideicomiso and that fideicomiso is managed by a fiduciary bank who has elongated turn times in order to make a change to the trust, in order for you to buy it, whether you're buying it with MoXi financing or paying cash, if that turn time is 90 days or more, a 90-day rate lock probably isn't sufficient. So again, how can you make sure that you get your rate lock done as soon as possible? Work with your mortgage advisor, complete your application in full, turn in the requested documentation for underwriting. If you are working with a real estate agent, make sure that they are responding timely to the request to complete the subject property questionnaire. So that must be in the purchase contract. If this is a purchase transaction, must also be in, and or any property documents from a refinance perspective must be uploaded to MoXi's secure portal and for review. And once the initial credit decision is done and we have a conditional approval for you, your mortgage advisor will register your rate lock again for 90 or 120 days. You get to choose what that looks like. And then you will receive from MoXi's lock desk a conditional approval letter that outlines all of your underwriting and property conditions, as well as a rate lock agreement that binds MoXi to offering you that interest rate. And especially in a rising rate environment like we are experiencing today, that's a really, really powerful tool. If you have any questions, reach out to your global mortgage advisor or visit our website at moxi.global. Have a good day.